Hey, this is Ed, your landscaping coach. We're here in Tustin, California on a very, very hot day. It's like about 93 degrees out here, and we have plant material that was installed probably like about a month and a half, 2 months ago, and it's going through stress. It's the kind of plant material that you normally don't put in July and August, especially June and July, moving into August. But we had deadlines to meet for rebate situations, and so we just had to do what we had to do. And plants need to grow down and out before they grow up and out. And when you have plants that are basically drought tolerant, that don't get a lot of supplemental water during the summertime, that's not good to be planting plants. It's extremely hot, it's windy, got Santa Ana conditions here in Southern California, so it dries the plants out quickly. So we had to water gingerly, but keep the plant hydrated because of evaporation and gravity taking the water away from the root system. Okay, the product we're going to use in order to help with the heat stress and the water stress is a product called NutriRoot. NutriRoot is a combination of a biostimulant, a humectant, and some other nutritional benefits that are inside this bottle that's going to help with the plants deal with the stress of this heat that we're having here, this heat wave we're having here in Southern California. What we'll use is 1.5 ounces per gallon. We have a 5-gallon bucket, so we're going to use basically 7.5 ounces of the product inside the water. And so we already have 4 ounces of it already metered out. So we'll go ahead and just put that in. But what the NutriRoot will do is it'll help stimulate the root system, and also it will, that's 4, 5, 6, 7.5. Perfect. It will help to stimulate the root system to grow deeper and stronger. The humectant will help from the standpoint of the soil absorbency of the moisture, and there's also products in it that's going to help to retain the water at the soil level, the moisture. It'll help manage the soil moisture to where it's like it'll pull available water vapor from the pore spaces of the soil and keeps the roots hydrated to help it with the heat stress that's going on right now. And the nutrients that's inside of the product will help from the standpoint of the biostimulants, will help the plant to recover and to have vigor as it's still growing in. Because as I mentioned before, this plant material is probably like less than 2.5, going on 3 months old. So it's just about getting established and have this root system set where it should start growing up and out. So we're going to go ahead and add the water, and then we'll go ahead and apply it to the plants that are most stressed out. Okay, we got our NutriRoot all mixed up. I'm transferring it to a smaller container so I can be able to manage it. If you notice the NutriRoot, it has kind of a really nice amber look to it. Almost looks like a really diluted form of coffee. See the foam on there? It's got kind of a syrupy consistency. Not real thick, but really nice and consistent. All the nice nutrients in there. Nice organic smell. So let's get with it. Here we have a salvia greyi. It's red and it's really suffering from this heat. We have 2 gallons an hour per emitters, drip emitters that's on this plant, but it's still really getting a butt kicking, and it looks like it has a little bit of I forget what you call this, kind of like a foam that's a sense that creates, to look it up, but they're trying to attack it, and that's the time that most plants get attacked, when they're under stress, and that's when the insects go after the plant and do it in. We're going to use like about 16 ounces, so I got this little cup here. It's like 8 ounces. So let's put 16 ounces on here. That should be more than enough in order to come like trial test it out, get the nutrients in there, and it'll probably increase the run time a little bit. It's 2 gallons an hour, I think the client said she has the sprinkler system running or the drip system running for 1 hour, so it's getting 1 gallon or 2 gallons of water. Actually, she's running for 30 minutes, so it's just getting 1 gallon of water. So I'm gonna have her increase the run time to get more water to it, and we're gonna see what happens here. We'll come back in another week and see if it makes any difference from the standpoint of giving it the NutriRoot and the extra moisture that it needs in order to thrive. I will just go to another sector here. We have these yarrow that are holding out. They're doing pretty good, but they could stand a little bit of help too. So we'll just go ahead and put down 8 ounces to each one of these yarrow. They're still pretty green. This one's doing really well. And we'll just kind of monitor these yarrow and see what happens on these yarrow. We have another gazania. Actually, not gazania. This is salvia gregae. So give it 2, since they have a little bit more visual stress. But we'll go around the project and find the different types of plant material that is stressing pretty bad. Here we have a lantana. You look at this lantana and compare it to this one out here in the parkway. Day and night. And they were planted pretty much the same time. Is your guess and mine why these are doing so much better out here in the parkway as opposed to these two that's out here? Actually it's 3. So we're just going to add some product to them to see if we can get them up to speed. But it's kind of like raising kids. Some kids grow big and tall and do the right thing, and some kids, you don't know what the heck's going on with them. Now these are over here. These bad boys are suffering. There's one there. This one looks like it's almost done. So we'll give it 2 shots. And then this buddy over there, on the other side of this rock, we'll give it 1 shot. Since it's not that much left, I'll go ahead and just divide it among the 2. We got 1 here and 1 here. Okay, you have a Ceanothus concha that's struggling. So we'll give it a couple cups, and there's yarrow down here. It's pretty dry. Give it a couple cups. This yarrow right here is doing really well. Come over here, give it a couple shots. And we'll just go ahead and give this 1 yarrow 1. Just for being a good player. Salvia gregae. Like they're really getting the bad end of the stick. Some of the other plant material is doing quite well. Here near the parkway, seems like everything is going pretty decent. We have 1 Ceanothus. This is Anchor Bay, Ceanothus Anchor Bay. So we'll go ahead and give it a couple shots. They're really kind of picky, but it depends. So I have 1 down here, another in Anchor Bay that's doing really well. Check that out. I don't know what it is, but some plants do a lot better than others. Out here in this parkway, we have some good stuff happening. The gazanias are really kicking in really well. But in other areas, I don't know if it's just shock or whatever. We have to figure it out, but look at that. This is a big day and night difference in the gazanias. day and night. So we'll go ahead and treat those these couple over here with some some NutriRoot. These things, noticing that they're doing pretty well. This salvia is almost toast. It has some green on it, but we're going to put some NutriRoot on it and see if we can revive it, see if we can bring back, quote unquote, the dead. And also put some on this Arborjet because it looks pretty wicked here. So that's kind of like the lay of the land right now, besides this nut grass that we're working to get rid of. So I'll go ahead and complete the application of the NutriRoot out here to these plant materials. So there you go. We just applied our NutriRoot to all of our suspect plants that are under extreme heat, stress, and seems like they need some help. So we went ahead and applied the product to all of those plants at a rate of 1.5 ounces per gallon of water. This is the NutriRoot. I'll have a link in the description so you can find out where to get it at. It's a highly recommended product by your landscaping coach. I use it quite a lot, especially on our quarterly maintenance program. If you want to know more about that, you can either put in NutriRoot in the comments, or you can send me an email at Edward@yourlandscapingcoach. In the subject line, put NutriRoot, and I'll send you out a Yardie Nation cheat sheet on the product and our quarterly maintenance suggested program. And I want to thank you for watching the videos, for checking out the channel. Be sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, hit that notification bell so when videos like this come out, you can be able to take a look at them, put your comments in there, and hopefully I share something with you that can be able to be helpful in your landscaping, because the mission at the Yardie Nation is to educate, embrace, and empower you to do the best in your landscaping, whether it be at your home or at your business. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.